Hi, I'm Meghan Bright with Non-Master Physical Therapy, and today we're going to talk about the radial nerve. Specifically, we're going to go over a radial nerve guide. So the radial nerve runs kind of on the back of the arm here, and then it's going to come down into the back of these three fingers. So if you're experiencing any numbness and tingling in these three fingers, or having pain along the outside of your elbow, this will be a nice exercise for you to try. The exercise is designed to increase blood flow to the nerve and have that nerve move through its normal range of motion in order to reduce your symptoms. Okay, so usually I would recommend doing 5 to 10 repetitions of these and then reassessing how your symptoms are feeling. It is important with a nerve injury that we don't over stress it, so we're just going to the point of a stretch. I'm going to demonstrate these, but I want you to stop when you're doing it where you feel that tension or stretch. Okay, so with the radial nerve, we're going to start with the arm at our side and turn the palm away, and then you're going to bend that wrist up. Okay, so the first one, we're going to bring the head towards our shoulder as we lift that arm up, and then we're going to bring the head away as we bring that arm down to our side. So it's just going to look like this. Okay? If you're not feeling much of a stretch with that, you can move on to a tensioner, which is going to stress both sides of our nervous system and give a little bit more of a stretch on that nerve. And then that's going to look like this. You're going to have the same position, palm away, bend that wrist, and then the head's going to go away as we come out. You'll feel that stretch, and then you're going to bring everything back to neutral. So it's going to look like this. So I would go 5 to 10 repetitions there if you're not feeling it with the first exercise, and then always reassess how your symptoms are feeling afterwards. Hopefully you found this video helpful. If you are dealing with these symptoms and feel like you need additional help, feel free to give us a call or check us out at our website at knobpt.com. Thank you.